everybody, welcome to Paper Wishes Weekly Webisodes. I'm Lene Gehrig, and today I'm really happy to bring you from our friends at Crafter's Companion these cool Gemini abstract shape stamp and die sets. So I can't wait to show you what I did with them, so come play with us. Now this first one I have for you is the Celebration Cake, and of course it has the die with it and these cute little sentiments for happy birthday and celebrate and just for you. And here is the little card I did with this one. I just used a 5 by 6.5 card, and then I just placed a little bit of this, well actually I used 3 sheets, 3 different color of these great Stardust glitter cardstock. It's gorgeous stuff. What's great about it is that glitter is really in there and it's going to stay on there. It's fantastic to use. It die cuts beautifully. So I just put a little rectangle of it first, and then I went ahead and I cut a piece of pink a little bit smaller. I should tell you this is light pink, lime, and then this one is French blue. So I did the little pink, ran it through with this little cake die, and then I just cut some strips of both the French blue and the lime, and then just tucked those behind that in 4 different strips there. And then put that on here with a little bit of foam tape. I like to use little squares of foam tape, but you could also use a foam tape roll, and just added those on there. And then I just took those little pieces that were evacuated, these stars, and I just glued the smaller ones directly to that, just kind of a tone-on-tone situation. I stamped my greeting in black. I wanted it to really pop, and I used jet black StazOn ink pad for that one because I wanted it to be a permanent and not smear on this paper. A little gingham bow right there, and I'm all set. So it's actually a very quick and easy card to do. Okay, this next one, Balloon Bouquet. Whoops. So we've got our balloon here with the little balloons inside of it, the Let's Celebrate, Happy Birthday, and Congratulations. For this one, here we go. I actually die cut this several times from different colors of cardstock and then just pieced those back in. So what I ended up using for the background of my card was this pink polka dot here, and on the back side of the small polka dot is a larger print polka dot, and I used that size, so I put that from Dotted Duos #2, and then I used gingham #2 cardstock, and I used and some white cardstock, but I used purple, teal, and this nice sort of salmony pink color along with some white, and I just ran it through my machine. And first of all, I used the navy as my background, okay, and put that right there. And then I added some dazzles. These are colorful thin line dazzle stickers. I used the purple ones there, but they're these little tiny adhesive strips that make great borders, just to put down the length so I didn't have sort of a raw edge there. And then just went ahead and used all of these. Let me dump these out of my little sheet protector here. All of those little excess pieces. There we go. So colorful. You could use these on a lot of different projects. So I die cut all of these from different colors of cardstock. Go. And a great tool to use from these are little tweezers. You can get these at Paper Wishes. And they're just really excellent at helping you to pick these up. I actually just put a little bit of glue and just dipped them in the glue and then just put them on like that, and it was very helpful to just organize everything a little bit. Then just down at the bottom I just put a strip of white cardstock across the bottom, stamped that happy birthday in purple, and then took a couple of those cute little stars and glued those on either side. Once again, another really quick and easy card to do. Plus, you'll have all of these little extra components that you can use on other projects. Okay, and then finally, we've got the Butterfly Wishes. And for this one, that's what this one looks like if you just cut it out of white cardstock, which would just be beautiful as it is. gorgeous. And then if you wanted to write, of course, write your note, you would want to write it around the edges here, so maybe that it didn't show through. But if you wanted to go ahead and put something behind this, so you could use up your whole space to write a little greeting. For this one, this is a 5 by 5 inch card. You can get these at Paper Wishes too, because they're already cut to size. They have the matching envelopes. So for this, I actually just glued a little bit of suede paper. This is turquoise. So I just cut my little turquoise paper down to about a 3-inch square, and then just glued that, here we go, right behind, like that. And then I also die cut the image again using, this is purple, or actually it's violet suede. And then I used those little pieces and I just glued them right down here. Returning again to my cute little colorful thin line dazzles. Used purple again. I could have used the turquoise color. And just put one here, and then 2 down this side so they crossed. And then just stamped a little piece of white cardstock and just foam taped that right there. So as you can see, really easy cards to make, and I think they're just really stunning. Sometimes you just need a quick and easy card. Great cards that are all very celebratory that you could just sort of keep in your card stash. We have a great money saver on this. If you're watching us on our Paper Wishes Webisode page, just on the right-hand side, so just look for that picture and click on that. And also below this video, we've got a full color gallery with photos of these cards and the supply list if you click on the photos. And then below that, we've got a drop-down list where you can buy every item that I've showed you, tweezers, glue, everything. They'll take you to those product pages. If you're watching us on YouTube, look in the description box right below our video and click on that Paper Wishes link, and it'll take you right to that webisode page, and you'll see everything I just mentioned. And if you like this video, consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribe, because we do 3 to 5 videos a week. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you next time.